LA Center, Raider 50 declaring emergency mid-air collision with Bolt 93. We have 2 engines out. We're leaking fuel and might be on fire. And an emergency descent at this time. Raider 50.
And that's Raider 50. You're in the Kane West right now. And Raider 50, I believe you were stepped on there. Where you said you're going down now?
We're declaring an emergency. We still have partial control of the aircraft. 2 engines out. We're aiming towards.
And Raider 50, you said you're heading towards El Centro Airport or Imperial. Raider 50 LS. Raider 50 LS.
I believe they said they had him mid-air and 2 engines out.
And center not to clog the frequency, 979 Charlie Fox. We got a plume of black smoke on the ground in that MOA that, happened about the time he called for the emergency. So there's at least 1 aircraft down, it looks like.
Okay, thank you.
The impact was prior to his last transmission, though.
And Raider 50, thank you. Raider 50, I'm sorry, you said you're going to thermal now? Oh, Raider 50, Roger. Raider 50, I understand you said you're about 20 miles away and you're looking for the winds. Let me get the winds for you. And Raider 50, the wind is 150 at 08 knots. And Raider 50, just want to understand can you repeat the nature of the emergency? Okay, Raider 50, you said number 4 and number 3. And Raider 50, just want to confirm, do you have the airport in sight? Raider 50, do you have the airport in sight? That you're 12 o'clock, about 15 miles. Raider 50, I think I stepped on you. Can you repeat that? All right, thank you. And Raider 50, can you call LA Center on the ground? And can I give you a phone number?